What's up, guys? How are you? I'm good. Hope you're well too. So I decided to Farfetch and bring you guys along on the journey. So yeah, I was looking for a particular sneaker on Farfetch, and I was scrolling on Farfetch and I found it. Not the color I like. Let's try this one. Ooh. Fell in love instantly and decided to buy the sneaker. So yeah, I made the purchase on the 17th of April 2025, and they gave me a delivery estimated date of between 22 April to 29th April 2025. The sneaker was $188. The total was $212 including shipping, and I still got an invoice from FedEx for tariffs, recent tariffs, which was, as you can see on the screen there, 1,900 and some change. So almost 2,000 Rand. The sneaker did arrive on the 24th, which is within the estimated dates. So yeah, the sneakers is with me now. Let's do an unboxing. What's up, guys? Yeah, so to those who are wondering if the sneakers are original or are fake from Farfetch, unfortunately I do not have a pair to compare with to say that they do sell original sneakers or original clothing. So I cannot tell you that, or I cannot comment on that rather. So I will go by the assumption after spending that much money that it is original Lacoste sneakers. But you never know with these websites. I mean, check out what's happening with StockX now. They are in some hot waters. Apparently, they have been selling fake or counterfeit sneakers as authentic Nike and Jordan sneakers. So I cannot recommend it from that point of view, but looking at the boxing and how it feels, the material, it's either it feels like a quality sneaker. That's all I'm gonna say. It's quality material. It looks good to me. It looks authentic, but I cannot really say. I cannot vouch for its authenticity rather. So yeah.